provides assured detection through full supervision of detection path right from the detector up to the sampling points, including the microbore tubes, using a patented VEA sampling point. The VEA sampling point consists of the sample point inlet that allows air into the sample point, sampling point flap valve that only opens in one direction to let air through to the microbore tube that is connected to the sampling point body using a push-fit connector. Under normal operation, the sampling point lets the air through to the VEA detector, which has built-in flow measurement to ensure that the airflow path is working. Blockage could happen at any point in the detection path due to the environmental conditions. The blockage could be at the sampling point inlet due to a stuck flap valve or in the microbore tubes, causing the airflow to drop. At periodic intervals, VEA directly connects to the sampling points through the rotary valve and automatically checks for the airflow through the detection path, and if it falls below the minimum limit, it raises a trouble condition. Leakage could happen at any point in the detection path due to the environmental conditions. The leakage could be through the microbore tube, due to leaky joints, or due to a leaky flap valve. To detect the leakage, at periodic intervals, VEA reverses the flow, closing the flap valve in the sampling point, and checks for the abnormal airflow condition. If the detection path is fully sealed, there is no airflow. But if it is leaky, there is abnormal flow through the path. Under that condition, VEA raises a trouble condition. VEA periodically runs automatic cleaning function to ensure that tubes and the sampling points remain clean. During this process, VEA connects to 2 sampling points at a time through the rotary valve and performs a high-pressure vacuum operation to suck and discard dust and debris. With supervised assured detection, if the VEA detector is functioning normally, the only test required during mandatory code-based service is a smoke test to ensure that the smoke detection chambers are working properly. VEA has 2 smoke detection chambers and provides 2 test ports on the side to perform the smoke test centrally for all 40 sampling points. It requires no special tools or equipment, is secure, and can be carried out by a single person, reducing service time by up to 90%. VEA also allows centralized testing of selective tubes and sampling points without the need to go into a protected area, providing unobtrusive business operation.